The curious case of the catnap. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a fun and cozy English phrase, catnap. Ever wondered what cats have to do with napping, or even what this term means? Let's find out together. A catnap is a short and light sleep, often taken during the day. It's like those moments when you close your eyes for just a few minutes to refresh yourself. The term catnap draws inspiration from how cats often doze off for short periods during the day, looking relaxed and then suddenly waking up, all alert and active. To make sure you really grasp the concept, let's look at some examples. 1. I'm so tired. I think I'll take a catnap before we head out for dinner. 2. Instead of a long sleep, Sarah prefers taking multiple catnaps throughout the day. 3. The movie was so boring that I took a quick catnap in the middle. These examples show that the term can be used in various contexts but always refers to a short, rejuvenating rest. Understanding and using idiomatic expressions like catnap will not only enrich your vocabulary but also make your English sound more natural. Native speakers frequently use such phrases, so recognizing them will enhance your comprehension and communication skills. So, the next time you see someone resting their eyes for a bit, or if you feel the need for a quick rest, remember the term catnap. We hope this video shed some light on this cute and handy phrase. Keep exploring, and keep learning. Until next time, happy studying!